Unlock a world of fast and secure payments with just your phone, thanks to Barclays' contactless technology. The first step to contactless freedom is to get your Barclays card ready for your mobile device if you haven't already. Download your preferred mobile wallet app, like Apple Pay for iPhones or Google Pay for Android phones from your phone's App Store. Open your chosen mobile wallet app and look for the option to add a card. You'll then be prompted to enter your Barclays card details manually. Or you can often use your phone's camera to scan your card for quicker entry. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Barclays will send you a verification code, typically via SMS or through your Barclays online banking, which you'll need to enter into the app to confirm it's you. Once verified, your Barclays card will appear in your mobile wallet, ready to go. Now, making a payment is incredibly simple and secure. When you're at a contactless terminal, simply wake up your phone. A circumflex euros. You usually don't even need to open the app. Hold your phone close to the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. You'll feel a vibration or hear a beep, and see a confirmation on your phone, indicating the payment has been successful. It's that easy. And rest assured, using your phone for contactless payments with Barclays is highly secure. Your actual card number is never shared with the merchant, and your payments are protected by your phone's security features like fingerprint or facial recognition. So, embrace the convenience and speed of contactless payments with your Barclays card and smartphone. It's the modern way to pay for your everyday purchases.